In this video, I will show you how to use PiPiADS to find winning products. Navigate to the dashboard. After logging in, you'll see options such as TikTok ads, Facebook ads, TikTok shops, advertisers, and ad products. Click the TikTok shop and select the desired country, let's say United States. Filter by the criteria such as impressions, time period. Some features may require upgrading to a premium plan like the VIP plan. Review the list of the products and click on one to see product details, ad performance like impressions and likes, sales metrics. You can filter ads by engagement, impressions or likes to discover the best performing ads. Click TikTok ads to explore the main features of PiPiADS. Apply filters such as ad type, e-commerce platform, country or region, language, engagement levels. Use the Unique Products filter to see top performing products. Click on Product to review detailed metrics such as likes and impressions, top advertising countries. Use this information to find unique and profitable products to sell. Explore the top products section for highly sold items such as LED lights, mini projectors, hoodie, blankets. Check top store to see their best selling products, growth rate, like high, medium or low. Under the Tools section, access the free features like Shopify App Detector, TikTok Ad Targeting and Audience Analyzer, TikTok Ad Cost Calculator, Shopify Theme Detector. If you are serious about dropshipping, selling on TikTok Shop or building an e-commerce brand, PiPiADS is a powerful tool to help you find winning products and top-performing ads. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.